Critical library mismatch involving the csapi3t1.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. Before starting the detailed csapi3t1 fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the csapi3t1, a specialized crypto service API shim. It provides unmanaged routines for interacting with specific system-level cryptographic providers. It facilitates the orchestration of secure certificate manifests and manages low-level encryption data links. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Since csapi3t1.dll belongs to the Windows system core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the csapi3t1 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of csapi3t1.dll unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the csapi3t1 environment. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got csapi3t1 working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.